Ta-da! Hi guys, it's me, Daddy, and
Annielle.
Annielle Faith. Okay, what are we gonna show them today, Annie?
Cloud mini slime.
Yes, that's right. This is Cloud Mini Slime that we bought from Amazon. Okay, let's show them what's inside. Wow! What color is that?
Skin color.
Skin color. Okay, you show them, show them. Nice. So it comes in a lot of packages, different colors. Let's open this. This one is in blue. Oh, and it's a Disney character inside. Look at that. What about that? Oh, show them, show them. Wow. And smells like
Lavender.
wow, smells like lavender. Okay. Next, this is a green one. Oh, it's my favorite. It's an avocado.
What does it smell like?
You smell it.
What does it smell like?
Smells good. Like candy. Okay. And there's this orange color. And
Mermaid.
it's a mermaid. Yes, it's a mermaid inside. Okay. Show it. Oh, it's your favorite. Show it.
And it smells like rainbow.
They can't see you. You just have to stay here so they can see you. Smells like rainbow. What does a rainbow smell like? And uh-oh, what is this? Poop colored thing. Okay. Awesome. So
First box done.
first box done. That's a Cloud Mini
Next.
Slime. Next,
box.
Annielle will show you something else. Okay, Annielle, what is that Christmas package? Oh my gosh. Show them, Annielle, what's that? Whoa! Crazy slime. Annielle made a mess. Look at that. Slime and, is that Play-Doh? Okay. And there it is. So many colors, shapes, textures. There you go. And there. Oh my gosh, that's clear slime.
Why is it so water? Is it the water slime?
Yes, maybe it's a water slime. Oh my gosh, it's a slime compilation. So, what? What's that? A lot of clear slimes and beads, pearls, glitters. That's nice. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Okay,
Wait, I want to show
and it's time for bedtime.
No.
What is that? Oh, it's a jumping panda. Okay. Good night, everyone.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Say bye, bye. See you again. Annielle looks sleepy now.